Hi there, Raj there with Trading College. Just having a look at some charts today, just having a look at what's going on in the market because we have some serious dollar strength going on in general, which I'll cover in a second. But I just want to start with gold. So have a look at gold. We've been in this pretty profuse downtrend, making lower highs, lower lows. It looks like with our PTS system, we've come into the moving average and coming down for a new PTS that could be created on this 4-hour close. So we're currently around 0.5% lower on the session after being higher for much of the session. So we've seen a reversal, and that could be indicative of what we're about to see soon. Let's go into some of those currency pairs because I just want to have a look at dollar yen, and I'm going to bring this up on a very, very high time frame for you. So on a monthly time frame, we have hit a level now that we haven't seen since August 1998. Okay, the next one on the way up that you can see around there is from 1990. So we're talking massive, massive levels. Look at the daily chart. It's just one direction. Look at that, not the band, you know what I mean? One direction going up. All of these green PTS signals that have turned from red to green have been profitable. They've all done really, really well. And this is just an example of, how good a trend could be when you're in it, okay? And you have to be in it to win it. Let's have a look at euro dollar as well. That's also heading on the downside. I've spoken about that with you guys over the last few weeks or so, and that trend has continued very, very nicely. Now, today in the stock markets, let's pick up the main one, the S&P 500. The last PTS here has worked a treat. We had greens going up, hit the first red candle and have moved nicely lower. This just shows you the power of the PTS candles and how they work on a daily chart. But I just want to give you an idea of on the week how that's looking as well. The weekly is showing that we could still see further downside potentially to this target here, the next support at 3636. So that's what we're looking at to the downside. So keep your eye on this space. Some really good trends going, and let's hope they continue and move forward.